genius Amazon products I use every day. This is a wave-activated pool alarm that attaches to the side of your pool and triggers a loud siren whenever someone accidentally falls in. This is a multifunctional ottoman that opens up into a premium foot and calf massager, featuring deep shiatsu for your feet, compression for your legs, 3 pressure intensities, and soothing heat, then folds away seamlessly when you're done. This is a stainless steel straw, equipped with a built-in whisk at the bottom, so you can stir iced coffee directly on the go or at home. This is a minimalist valet tray that functions as a wireless phone charger, while keeping your daily jewelry and glasses organized on your nightstand. This is a flexible drain clog grabber tool that snakes deep into clogged sink drains to pull out years of trapped hair instantly. This is a square tortilla wrapper mold, designed to help you fold neat, compact lunch wraps without making an absolute mess every single time. This is a pop-up trash liner dispenser that easily mounts right inside the bottom of your trash can, letting you pull up a fresh bag automatically. This is a lockable lid pot that features an integrated strainer lid. This is a mini pottery wheel that is fully enclosed to prevent mess, allowing you to sculpt and detail tiny ceramic vases. Easily apply sunscreen with no sticky hands. It holds your favorite lotion and features a unique sponge and rollerball design that glides smoothly over the skin. This is a cordless portable spot cleaner, equipped with dual scrubbing bristle attachments, helping you lift set-in stains right out of your sofa cushions. It even cleans itself when you're done. This is a grooved silicone splash mat that wraps securely around your kitchen faucet to catch running water and guide it back into the sink. This is a luxury towel warmer that warms up your towels to the perfect temperature and features a built-in electric fireplace visual to make your bathroom feel extra cozy. This is a universal ride-on-board extension that clips onto the back of your existing stroller, giving older children a convenient platform to ride along safely. This is an automated peeler that secures your potatoes or apples between 2 prongs to strip away the skin smoothly with the press of a button. This is a handheld mattress vacuum that features a smart LED display that tracks real-time dirt levels and also utilizes built-in UVC light and intense heat to draw deeply embedded dust and pet hair out of fabrics. This is a fast-drying stone mat made from natural earth that rests inside a beautiful bamboo frame and instantly absorbs water from freshly washed glasses. This is a multi-tier jewelry tower that opens up on all sides to display necklaces, specialized slots for earrings and rings, and a top vanity mirror for easy accessorizing. This is a bamboo cutting board that features built-in slide-out stainless steel trays, letting you chop your veggies and sweep them directly into the trays. This is a modular 4-in-1 travel sub-bottle kit that houses multiple refillable pumps inside one compact shell to keep your shampoo and lotion organized. This is a heavy-duty canister steam cleaner that blasts out pressurized vapor, speeding up deep cleaning days across your furniture, floors, and bathroom fixtures. This is an automated hair braider that takes the struggle out of styling. Just clip 3 strands of hair into the color-coded pins, hit the switch, and it instantly twists them into a perfect braid. These Amazon gadgets solve problems you forgot about. This is a 4-in-1 colander that lets you grate cheese and slice veggies directly into the bowl, while also helping strain fruits easily. This is a compressed coin tissue dispenser that pops out with a thumb press and expands into full-size towels. These are stackable mesh baskets designed for maximum airflow, so your fruits and vegetables stay fresh for a much longer period of time. These are night lights that plug into any outlet and feature adjustable brightness levels to help you navigate dark hallways, and they come in a pack of 2. This is a magnetic pen holder that clips onto your favorite book or notebook, so you always have a writing utensil ready to jot down important notes. This is a cordless vacuum that pulls debris out of vents, cleans your floors, and automatically empties itself after every use. This is a handheld vegetable slicer that creates uniform pieces of fruits and vegetables with one quick squeeze. This is a double-decker rapid egg cooker that prepares up to 12 eggs at once, using steam, which means you get soft or hard-boiled eggs depending on the water level used. This is a rotating sunglasses stand that holds multiple pairs of eyewear while swiveling 360 degrees to help you find your shades, and the top also serves as a tray for jewelry. This is a travel-sized dispenser that holds 4 different lotions or shampoos in one container, which basically eliminates the need for carrying several bulky bottles in your luggage. This is a stainless steel cutting board with a lipped edge that hooks onto your counter, meaning it stays in place while you chop meat or vegetables. This is a portable wall plug heater that warms up small spaces like bathrooms or offices, and features a rotating plug to fit any outlet orientation. These are mini magnetic vases that hold tiny flowers and stick to your refrigerator door, which basically adds a touch of nature to your kitchen. This is a smart robot vacuum and mop combo that identifies spills on your floor with the help of 3D mapping and automatically cleans your floors. This is a rotating claw clip holder that displays your hair accessories in a tidy row, meaning you can quickly choose the right style for your day. This is a smartwatch that tracks your heart rate and sleep patterns while connecting to your phone to help you monitor your daily fitness and health. These are wrapping paper clamps that attach to your table and hold rolls in place, while providing a built-in cutter and tape dispenser for perfectly wrapped gifts every time. These are interior car LED light strips that tuck into the gaps of your dashboard, which basically transforms the look of your vehicle with custom glowing colors. This is a foldable lap desk that features multiple accessories to help you work comfortably while sitting in bed or on the sofa. This is an automatic hot towel dispenser that provides steaming face towels in seconds, meaning you can enjoy a spa-like facial cleaning experience right at home. This is a stainless steel egg poacher that fits inside your pots and creates 4 uniform eggs at once to help you make a professional breakfast. This is a measuring scoop and funnel combo that allows you to pour protein powder or baby formula into narrow bottles without spilling a single drop. 21. Useful Amazon finds. This is a silicone tea bag squeezer that holds your bag in place and lets you squeeze every drop out without burning your fingers. This is a hat washing machine that uses steam to deep clean and dry your favorite caps without ruining their shape. This tea infuser lets you watch your tea bloom in the top chamber before releasing it into the glass below with the turn of a knob. This is a tortilla folding tool that helps you cut and tuck ingredients neatly inside so you can easily wrap your sandwiches and grill them to perfection. These are solar-powered outdoor speakers designed to look like rocks, so they blend into your landscape while providing high-quality sound by the pool. This kitchen gadget is called a flattle because it acts as a ladle and a scraper, and it can even hook onto the side of pots. This is an outdoor lounge chair that features a built-in hole for your face and arms, allowing you to tan your back comfortably while reading. This is a cordless electric mop with dual spinning heads and an extendable handle that scrubs your floors effortlessly. This is a stone lamp that turns on with a simple tap, providing a soft glow that makes your bathroom feel more luxurious. This measuring cup is designed for sticky ingredients like honey or peanut butter, and it pushes everything out so you don't waste a single drop. This is a mini handheld squeegee and mop that cleans spills, kitchens, and baseboards, and it even features a self-wringing mechanism to keep your hands dry. This is a hidden cooler table that stores ice and drinks, and the top lifts up to create a convenient surface for snacks while you're outside. This is a sunrise alarm clock that features a built-in wireless charging dock, a touch nightlight, and 10 soothing sounds to help you wake up. This is a self-cleaning robot mop and vacuum that detects dirty areas and scrubs your floors thoroughly. These are umbrella pole hooks that wrap around your patio umbrella pole to give you a convenient place to hang your bags, speakers, and tumbler. This is an outlet extender designed for tight spots, which basically lets you plug in your devices behind furniture. If you have a small kitchen, this personal coffee maker brews directly into a matching stainless steel travel mug, so you can grab your drink and go. These are gold suction cup hooks that stick to your shower glass or tile without tools, providing a stylish place to hang your towels and loofahs. These are solar-powered step lights that stick to your outdoor stairs and automatically illuminate at night. This is a cordless carpet cleaner that uses powerful suction to remove deep stains from your sofa. This is an automatic card dealer and shuffler that distributes cards to every player at the table with the press of a button. Real Amazon products worth buying. These are grip hooks that stick like they mean it, making them perfect for showers, kitchens, or bathrooms. They hold razors, towels, and toothbrushes, instantly making any space feel organized. These are mop slippers that slip right over your feet, so you can dust and clean your floors just by walking around the house. This is an electric peeler that spins the skin off veggies and fruit so fast you'll never waste time peeling by hand again. This is a mini ice cube maker that keeps your cubes covered in the freezer and pops them out through a little portal when you squeeze the trigger. This is a toilet paper holder with a built-in compartment for wipes or feminine products, easy roll changes, and a flat top that's perfect for your phone. This is an electric jar opener that fits almost any size lid and makes opening jars completely hands-free. This is a tiny 3-in-1 portable charger that clips to your keys and keeps your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch powered anywhere you go. This is a cordless scalp massager with multiple speeds that rotates both ways, works in the shower, and comes with a charging stand. Just don't blame me if your entire family starts stealing it. This is a bat-shaped wine opener where the wings lift as you screw it in and push down to pop the cork, making it perfect for spooky season. This is a popsicle mold that turns a revived superfood smoothie cup into popsicles, so you can enjoy a healthy breakfast treat. This is a handheld juicer that twists right into a lemon or lime and effortlessly fills with juice. This is a gel roller that's super sticky, so it grabs lint, pet hair, and dust in seconds, then washes clean to use again. This is a microwave cover that fills with water to create steam while heating, so your food stays moist and doesn't splatter everywhere. This is a fruit fly trap that plugs into any outlet with a UV light and 6 replaceable pads, quietly catching flies while doubling as a nightlight. This is an egg slicer that makes perfectly even egg slices in seconds. This is a powerful steam iron with a large water tank and a super fine mist, so it smooths clothes fast without burning delicate fabrics or leaving water spots. This is a universal bottle top that turns any drink into a self-serve dispenser, so even kids or guests can pour without spills. This is a shower phone holder that spins all the way around and keeps your screen clear, so yeah, you can watch TikTok in the shower. This is a removable shower footrest that clips on with strong suction so you can finally shave or scrub without wobbling or bending awkwardly. This is a shower caddy that sticks to the wall and spins so you're not knocking over bottles trying to grab your shampoo. This is a handheld food slicer that holds everything in place so you can cut fruits and vegetables without the knife slipping. This is a pizza storage container with microwave trays that stack slices so your fridge isn't holding giant pizza boxes anymore. This is a gadget that turns your AAA batteries into AA batteries so you can keep your devices running even when you're out of the right size. This is a lemon juicer that squeezes lemons and limes in seconds so you're not standing there squeezing forever. Useful Amazon gadgets for busy people. This is a screw-in lemon juicer that punctures the fruit directly, making it easy to squeeze fresh juice. These are stackable clothing trays that let you pull a single pair of jeans or a shirt from the middle without ruining your entire stack of folded clothes. This is a misting hairbrush with a built-in water reservoir to dampen your hair while you detangle. These are mini keychain power banks that plug directly into your phone and recharge via wall outlets. This bathtub jet suctions to the side of your tub and creates powerful bubbles, which essentially converts your regular bath into a relaxing home spa. This is a motion-activated stationary vacuum and air purifier that sucks up debris you sweep toward it, while also filtering the air in your room. This is an automatic shoe cover dispenser that wraps a plastic film around your shoes with one step. If you want to sanitize floors and windows, this high-temperature steam cleaner uses pressurized water to help you deep clean without using any harsh chemicals. This is a honey dispenser that releases honey from the bottom with the press of a button. This is a bread proofer box that creates the perfect temperature-controlled environment for your dough to rise. This is a drawing robot that uses specialized cards to teach your kids how to draw different animals and objects. This is an uncrustable sandwich maker that cuts and seals your bread in one motion to create the perfect sandwich. This is a gold toilet paper holder that sticks to any wall and features a built-in phone shelf. This is an inflatable toy maker that lets you create small balloon characters by pumping them with air. This stainless steel tool holds your onions and vegetables in place so you can slice them perfectly. This is an air purifier with a 3-stage filtration system to remove dust and odors from your home. These are silicone food huggers that stretch over your half-cut fruits and vegetables to keep them fresh longer. This is a robot window cleaner that uses suction to stick to glass surfaces and clean hard-to-reach surfaces. This is a portable salad jar that features a separate dressing compartment and a side opening that turns into a bowl. This is a foot-operated cabinet opener that attaches to the base of your trash drawer, which allows you to open the bin with your toe when your hands are full. This is an electric vegetable peeler that rotates and peels your potatoes in seconds. These are under-desk drawers that stick to the bottom of your desk to provide extra storage for small items. This is an adjustable bed desk with a built-in book stand and lamp to let you work comfortably. This is a dual-compartment trash can that separates your waste and recycling into 2 bins. These are mushroom-shaped candle holders that add a decorative touch to your home. This is a self-draining utensil caddy that lets water flow directly into the sink, which essentially keeps your forks and spoons dry on your countertop. This is a wet-dry vacuum mop that vacuums and washes your floors at the same time, using high-pressure steam to remove tough stains. This is an inflatable bathtub massage mat that connects to an air pump to create bubbles.